Hey guys, it's Cookie Cat here, and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be doing magenta furry trade attempts. So, I just want to see what it's worth now, because people are freaking out and saying that they're, going down. And I've been, getting some really good offers. So far, I've been offered, sorry about that, a black headdress and tan gloss, which I'm not sure that's a really good trade. But that's only 22. Okay, so far, I've been offered about 23 black long worth, and I was told it was worth 25 to 27, so we'll see where we go from there. Alright, well, since Straight is willing to add, I'm going to see what he will add. I'm not sure if I'm going to accept, but I'm just curious. the trade. It's kind of good. I don't think I'm gonna accept that, but it was a really nice offer trade. No, I'm gonna ask someone. I'm not sure. Like, I would like 2 headdresses, but I'm not sure. Well, that's a good trade because that's 11. So that's 23, 24, that's 25 right there. I don't know because it's a really good trade, but I mean... Guys, let me know in the comments below if I should accept this. I'm actually not sure. So I guess he's doing black, brown, 2 parties and Alright guys, he will be doing his final offer, and then I would love for you guys to tell me in the comment section below if I should accept it or not. Yeah, my buddies love me right now, and are totally responding to what I say. Alright, this is the final offer that he's doing. Please let me know in the comment section down below if I should accept this or not. I don't know, because it's a really good trade. Oof. Alright. Well, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.